Hi everyone, Camilla here. Today I'm going to explain how to use 이, 그, and 저 properly. 이, 그, 저 and are similar to the words this, that, and that in English. They are helpful when describing people or things and their relative distances. 이 is used to describe something that is close to you. So if your person is near you, you can say 이 사람. 그 can mean that in English. It is used to refer to something or someone that is far from you but close to the listener. It is also used to express something that is already known by you and the listener. You can say 그 사람 to say that person. You and the listener both know. You can say 그것 to say that thing. When something is near to the listener but it is far from you. 저 is used to talk about something that is far from both you and the listener. So you can say 저 사람 if the person you're pointing at is a bit far from you and the listener. Can you use 이, 그, 저 now? Give us your example in the comments below. Bye for now.